guys, it's Christina. I'm your awesome Tupperware lady. I have a product to demo for you today. It's called the Power Chef Pro. It's our #1 selling product. It's amazing because you can blend omelets and smoothies, you can mix your batters for pancakes and cakes, you can emulsify your dressings, marinades, and sauces, you can also chop vegetables, fruits, and nuts. It's wonderful. Let me go ahead and show you how to put it together real quick. Okay guys, this is your base. You have cup measurements here on the side, and you also have milliliter and liter measurements on the other side. It's got a ring here for a non-stick or a non-slip base, so when you put it on your counter and you use it, it's not going to move around. We also have our blades. The blades are hand wash only. You also have a protective cover that comes with it. It pops off. There's the blades. You put your cover back on it when you're done with it before you put it in the drawer, and obviously you keep it away from little kids. Then we also have our paddle. It's great for emulsifying and mixing and blending. Then we have our funnel. The funnel is embossed with measurements as well. You have milliliter measurements on the sides here. When you put it on, you can twist it one way or another to give more or less fluid at a time. Then of course we have our seal. When you're done using your product, or when you're done using the product and you have your wonderful delicious food in here and you're not quite done with it or you want to save it for later, you just put your seal on it. It's watertight, airtight. It does great in the refrigerator. The next part is our top. It's got a hole in here so you can take out your human-powered motor. Okay, so let's put it together. The top goes on fairly easily. You're just going to lock it in place. Then the motor goes in easy as well. Just lock it in place. Now, if you're going to use your blades or your paddle, they have a little hole in the bottom here, which correlates with a little nubbin down here in the bottom. So you just put it in, lock it up, and you use it. Just like a lawnmower. It's so much fun and so quick and so easy. Let's make something yummy. Okay guys, we're going to make some Nutella ice cream today. We're going to be using our Power Chef Pro with the paddle attachment, as well as our measuring cups, our spatula, and we can leave the ice cream directly in here when we're done. So that way you only have to dirty one bowl. Hallelujah. Okay, so we're going to start the recipe by removing your paddle. And we're going to do 2 cups of heavy cream. Now I've had this heavy cream in the freezer for just a few minutes, and I want to show you real quick our Tupperware measuring cups. Our Tupperware measuring cups have a embossed 1 cup logo here right underneath the Tupperware logo, so that way it's not going to wash off in the dishwasher. Also, you have a small pour spout on either side, good for righties or lefties. And so we're going to start with 2 cups of our heavy whipping cream. So measure out your 2 cups. There's 1. And we're just going to have enough for the 2nd cup. And you want to get every last bit out, you can use your Tupperware spatula. It has a rounded corner, so it's good for getting into the edges of the bowl. The second ingredient is going to be our Nutella. Now this is a 1/2 cup of Nutella. Same idea. Because you want to get every last bit of that Nutella out. There we go. And our third ingredient is going to be powdered sugar. Now I'm going to use our Tupperware 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. Again, it's embossed. Also, when you get this set, it comes with a little insert on the ends there so you can snap them together and they don't get lost. They all stay together, so that's very nice. It also comes with the coveted 1/8 teaspoon, which is nearly impossible to find. So we're just going to use a tablespoon or 3 tablespoons of our powdered sugars. Okay, and last is 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay. So now we're going to put our paddle attachment in there. You got to line it up and you'll kind of feel it snap onto the center button there. Then we're going to put on our lid, lock it in place, and Pull the handle as many times as needed until the ice cream is a nice and smooth consistency. It takes a couple of pulls and it gets a little hard in the beginning. Okay, and now we have Nutella soft serve ice cream. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. So I'm gonna pull my paddle out and I'm going to put my seal directly on it. So it's airtight, watertight. You can pop it right in the freezer. Give it about 20, 30 more minutes in the freezer. Got a little Nutella streak there. And then you'll be good to go.